Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best gaming mini PC. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. GMKtec Mini PC Intel Core i7-1195G7 Turbo 5.0 GHz, 32GB DDR4 1TB SSD Desktop Mini Computers Wi-Fi 6, BT 5.2/DP, HDMI/RJ45 2.5G/USB 4.0. Brand, GMKtec. Operating System, Windows 11 Pro, compatible with Ubuntu and Linux. CPU model, Core i7. CPU speed, 5 GHz. Cache size, 32GB. Graphics card description, integrated. Graphics coprocessor, Intel Iris A1400 MHz. Memory storage capacity, 1 TB. Memory slots available, 2. Specific uses for product, video or photo editing, casual gaming, business, education, home, office, school, digital billboard, HTPC video or photo editing, casual gaming, business, education, home, office, school, digital billboard, HTPC. GMKtec M2 Pro Mini Computer is equipped with 11th generation Intel Core i7-1195G7 processor, main frequency up to 5. 0 GHz, for cores, 8 threads, 12 MB cache, running much faster than i7-10810U, i5-12450H and i5-8259U. Windows PC series. The power is only 35W, supporting your daily work with less power consumption, without delaying daily tasks. 32GB DDR4 and 1TB NVMe SSD, desktop computer comes with 32GB SODIMM, dual-channel DDR4 supports expansion up to 64GB. 1TB SSD M.2 2280 NVMe, PCIe 3.0, supports expansion to 2 TB. In addition, M.2 2242 SATA can be expanded to 2 TB. For QHD and 3 screens support, Mini PC with Intel Iris Xe Graphics G796EU GPU delivers high-quality graphics for the most demanding applications, 2x HDMI, 4K at 60Hz, and 1x USB Type-C, 4K at 60Hz, output terminals, allowing you to independently display 4K screens on 3 displays at the same time. 2.5 gigabits per second LAN and Wi-Fi 6 plus BT 5.2, GMKtec Mini PC dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4G plus 5G networking and Giga, RJ45 speed up to 2500M, loading web, video, or other networked operations is faster and more stable, Bluetooth 5. 2 Connect faster speed, farther coverage. It is also a big feature that you can transfer files over LAN at high speed. Number 2. KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC 16GB RAM 512GB M.2 SSD Mini Computers 12th Gen Alder Lake N95 up to 3.4 GHz Micro PC 2.5-foot SSD Gigabit Ethernet for QHD Wi-Fi BT Visa/Home Business Small PC. Brand, KAMRUI. Operating System, OS. CPU model, Celeron. CPU speed, 2.9 GHz. Cache size, 6 MB. Graphics card description, integrated. Memory storage capacity, 512 GB. Specific uses for product, multimedia, server, personal computer, business computer, office PC, HTPC, online learning, work for home, education, photo editing, web browsing multimedia, server, personal computer, business computer, office PC, HTPC, online learning, work for home, education, photo editing, web browsing. Personal computer design type, Mini PC. New generation CPU N95 newest 12th Intel Alder Lake N95, 1.7 GHz, Max 2 3.4 GHz, 4X cores, 6 MB L3 cache, processor, 2023 new releases. Compared with Intel, N100/N50105/N5100/N5095. GK3 Plus Mini PC N95 CPU performance plus 35%, GPU plus 78%, more powerful performance and smoother running. Intel UHD graphics 1.20 GHz handles like browsing internet, reading email, editing documents, home office, and more with ease, even for professional uses like photos editing. 16GB RAM 512GB SSD up to 2TB KAMRUI mini PC with high-speed 16GB DDR4, built-in 512GB M.2 2280 SSD. 16GB of RAM memory makes your entire system speedy and responsive. That way it can support tasks like memory hogging, multi-tab browsing, and opening a huge graphic file quickly and easily. If you want more storage space, you can also add a 2.5-inch SSD, no included, to expand the memory. Upgrade storage to 2 TB to expand the memory. Wonderful safety data bank. Number 3. GMKtec M5 Plus Gaming Mini PC Ryzen 7 5825U. Upgraded 5700U, 32GB RAM 1TB SSD dual NSELAN 2.5GB desktop computers, triple 4K display, Wi-Fi 6E, USB 3.2, USB-C, BT 5.2, DP, HDMI 2.0. Brand, GMKtec. Operating system, Windows 11 Pro. CPU model, AMD Ryzen 7. CPU speed, 4.5 GHz. Cache size, 8 MB. Graphics card description, integrated. Graphics coprocessor, AMD Radeon Graphics 8 CUs 2000 MHz. Memory storage capacity, 64 GB. Memory slots available, 2. Specific uses for product, gaming. Office Gaming Mini PC. Upgraded GMKtec Nutbox M5 Plus series is equipped with the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, 8 cores/16 threads, base 2 GHz, power-saving quiet mode, with turbo boost up to 4.50 GHz, performance mode, in BIOS settings, based on the Zen 3 Plus architecture. This small but powerful mini PC delivers satisfying results in productivity, office work, and gaming. 35% performance increase over previous AMD Ryzen 7 5700U, 5600U, 5560U, 5500U. 32GB DDR4 RAM and 1TB PCI SSD. Installed with DDR4 32GB RAM dual channel, 2x16GB, the Nutbox M5 Mini PC support expansion to 64GB RAM. Featured with 1TB M.2 2280 PCI 3.0 SSD, support dual slot expansion to 4TB SSD. Upgrades not included. Dual NIC LAN 2.5G RJ45 fast network speeds. Enjoy up to 2500 megabits per second data transmission speed without worrying about lagging. Ideal for working, gaming, and surfing the internet. Great for Untangle, Sense, or as a server office PC. Mini desktop computer with 4K triple screen display. Nutbox M5 Plus integrates AMD Radeon Graphics 8 cores 2000 MHz GPU to deliver powerful graphics processing power to easily handle the demands of complex design software, 4K at 60Hz UHD video editing and playback, or mid-range gaming. And it can connect to 3 display screens simultaneously. Fast Internet Wi-Fi 6E plus BT 5.2 connection. GMKtec Mini PC with Wi-Fi 6E wireless, have 2.5G divided by 5G divided by 6G triple band, more faster and lower latency. Bluetooth 5.2 allowing you more quickly to connect other wireless devices. Number 4. ACEMAGIC N150 Vista Mini PC V1. Twin Lake N150, Beat N100/N95, up to 3.6 GHz, 16GB DDR4 RAM 512 SSD mini computers, 11 Pro desktop 4K dual display/HDMI/Wi-Fi/BT/LAN for home/office. Brand, ACEMAGIC. Operating system, 11 Pro. CPU model, Intel Mobile CPU. CPU speed, 3.6 GHz. Cache size, 16 GB. Graphics card description, integrated. Graphics coprocessor, Intel UHD graphics. Memory storage capacity, 16 GB. Specific uses for product, everyday use, education, business. Personal computer design type, mini PC. New release CPU, N150, which is faster and more powerful than the N100/N95. ACEMAGIC Vista Mini V1 is powered by 2024 latest Intel processor Twin Lake N150, for cores/4 threads, 6M Intel Smart Cache, 0.8 GHz, max to 3.6 GHz, delivers more than 39% higher performance than N100. Reference from Cinebench R23. Performance at least plus 40%, GPU at least plus 23% compared with the previous CPU, N95/N5105/N5095. Remarkably power efficient at 15W, it outperforms its predecessors, even rivaling some mainstream mobile processors from the past. Vista Mini V1 Meet your second PC. Next-gen light office mini PC comes pre-installed with the Win 11 Pro system, which is intelligent, secure, and efficient. Versatile connectivity, 10M divided by 100M divided by 1000M RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet port 1, USB 3.2 Type A port 2, USB 2.0 Type A port *2, HDMI 2.0 by 1, DP 1.4 by 1, DCI x 1, 3.5mm audio jack *1. Number 5. KAMRUI Essenx E2N150 Mini PC, Micro PC 16GB DDR4 512GB SSD Mini Computers, Twin Lake NN150, Beat N100, up to 3.6 GHz, Small PC, HDMI plus DP 1.4 Dual 4K UHD, Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi, BT/Home Office Desktop PC. Brand, KAMRUI. Operating System, Windows 11 Pro. CPU Model, Celeron. CPU speed, 3.6 GHz. Cache size, 6 MB. Graphics card description, integrated. Graphics coprocessor, Intel HD Graphics 630. Memory storage capacity, 512 GB. Specific uses for product, multimedia, server, personal computer, business computer, office PC, HTPC, online learning, work for home, education, photo editing, web browsing multimedia, server, personal computer, business computer, office PC, HTPC, online learning, work for home, education, photo editing, web browsing. See more about this item. New release Twin Lake NN150 CPU KAMRUI Essenx E2 Mini PC is powered by 2025 latest Twin Lake NN150 CPU 4-core 4-thread 6MB Smart Cache, burst speed up to 3.6 GHz, compared with N100/N95/N5105/N5095. Twin Lake NN150 CPU performance plus 30%, GPU plus 40%, more powerful performance and smoother running. Lower power consumption of 15W, KAMRUI E2 Mini Computers is ideal for browsing internet, reading email, editing documents, home office, and more with ease, even for professional uses like photos editing. 16GB RAM 512GB SSD up to 2TB KAMRUI E2 Mini Desktop Computers is equipped with a high-speed 16GB DDR4 SODIMM slot ×1, up to 16GB, to make your entire system speedy and responsive. 512GB M.2 SSD can support tasks like memory hogging, multi-tab browsing and opening a huge graphic file quickly and easily. 1 M.2 2280 slot support up to 2TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD/M.2 SATA SSD to expand the memory. Wonderful safety data bank. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.